Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today I'll be showing you how to make a beach tote using printed pattern HTV. So what you need is your printed pattern of choice, beach tote of choice. You will need your TTD EasyMask, a cutting machine of some kind. I'm using the StarCraft Solo, a heat press, and a pressing pillow. I'm gonna put this over here with that, then we can go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is take my printed pattern HTV and get it stuck on here on my cutting mat. Okay, now put this up in here if it'll let me. Cool. Ooh, wait, I'm moving. Okay, now I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna try to get the red cutting tool moved to the bottom right portion of our mat. Then I can come over to the create program right here. I'm just gonna drag and drop my SVG over onto it. Now, what I want to do, okay, I feel like it is worth noting that you don't actually need to mirror your image in the create software or in whatever software you're using because of the nature of how printed pattern HTV actually is. You can continue now. Go ahead and resize it to the size that I would like. So I'm gonna say I'd like the height to be no more than 4 inches. So I'm just gonna 4 right there. There we go, exactly how I want. Now bring it to the bottom rightmost corner, create, and in the preset area, I'm going to go down to printed pattern HTV. And if you don't have that setting like as a preset, I'm gonna read off the settings for you. Our blade offset is gonna be 0.3 millimeters. Our overcut is 1 millimeter. The multi-cut is off, force is 12, score force is 17, speed is 12, and up speed is 10. Now, odds are it's going to vary greatly depending on how far your blade is out of your cutting tool. So I would definitely test everything beforehand. I'm actually going to scoot this out a little bit too. Now we can go ahead and click create. So while that's cutting, we can go ahead and take our TTD EasyMask and cut off the portion that we would like. And I just want this right here because that's, is it 4 inches? We'll measure. Yeah, we're good. Here we are. Done. I'm gonna get rid of this thing because it's in the way. You're gonna go ahead and cut out the area you need. Oh, as a side note, we're gonna use our TTD EasyMask to pull the image off and put it down on our tote. Cool? You got it? I'm gonna assume you got it. Okay, time to weed. Perfect, look at that. Look at that. It didn't take no time at all. Now, take our EasyMask, and you'd think I would have some kind of trick to getting this off, because I've done it so many times, but you'd be wrong. Here we go. So you need plastic part. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and lay it down over top of your thing you just cut out. I'm gonna take my squeegee and really just, get it on there. Nice and good. I'm gonna let that sit there for a second because I don't want to mess with it yet. And put your pressing pillow up inside the tote. The reasoning for that is because if you don't, there's an even surface to press on because of all these creases and random things. So this allows us to have a nice even heat. So we're here doing it live. So we got this, take this apart and put it on there. After using your TTD EasyMask to, grab your design, you're gonna come right here, line it up about where you want it, and set it on there. Now, we're gonna rotate over to our heat press. So, what you want is to have your heat press set to 305 degrees for 10 seconds. I've already done that because I'm smart. Now, I'm gonna lay this up underneath here, bring this around town, set her down. 10 seconds, 10 full seconds, it's great. It's not a cold peel, so you can just rip it right off. It's great. I recommend doing kind of slow though, just in case. You never know. Something could go wrong. Something went wrong. Did I have too much pressure or something? So, quick thing. If you do 305 for the full 10 seconds and you have some stuff coming up just a little bit, just put a Teflon sheet over it and do it for another 5-ish seconds. So yeah, now this can come with me. After all that business, pull your pillow out and get it out the way. And this should be final product for your tote. Look at it, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's only a little chopped up in places. It's fine, it's a beach tote. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.